Okay, dude, you're not gonna believe this. It started with a shipment of let's just say things from the Amazon. Seriously creepy things. We're talking about a research expedition gone wrong, a team vanished, and this bizarre cargo showed up weeks later. The crates were unmarked, sealed with some kind of alien-looking metal. Inside? Hundreds of preserved specimens. Not your average pickled frogs. These were different. Tiny, almost microscopic creatures, but with an incredibly complex structure. Like miniature, bioluminescent trees, but living. They pulsed with a faint, internal light. The researchers, before they disappeared, noted an unsettlingly rapid growth rate. We're talking exponential. One moment they're microscopic, the next, they're a few millimeters across. And the weirdest part? They seemed to communicate. Hello, almost subsonic hum that resonated through the lab. The lead researcher, Dr. Anya Sharma, documented everything. Her last entry described a strange energy signature emanating from the creatures. She wrote about seeing patterns in their light, sequences that felt deliberate. Like a code. The team started acting strangely before their disappearance. Paranoia, hallucinations. One researcher claimed to see faces in the light patterns. Distorted, screaming faces. They started talking about prophecies, ancient texts, about a hidden world beneath the surface of the earth. Then, silence. Just the humming of the things. The government tried to cover it all up, of course. But some data leaked. There are whispers of government agents hunting down anyone who knew about the project. Even more unsettling, the growth rate isn't slowing down. The creatures have been discovered in other locations around the world now. Small pockets at first. But they're spreading. The humming is getting louder. More intense. And some people claim to see the faces now, too. Even without the creatures. It's like they're seeping into our reality. The government's explanation is some kind of mass hysteria triggered by a rare fungal toxin, of course. But the leaked documents tell a different story. They mention a symbiotic relationship between these creatures and a specific species of deep-sea bacteria capable of manipulating cellular structures at a molecular level. It was this bacteria, they claim, that gave the little creatures their unique properties, their insane growth rate. But that bacteria, it's not natural. Not of this world. The most disturbing part? The DNA of these creatures, it's unlike anything ever seen before. They're not merely alien, they're beyond alien. Beyond comprehension. Dr. Sharma's notes suggest they're building something. Something huge. Something that resonates with the humming, a deep, almost primal rhythm that seems to affect the human brain. There are theories, dark theories, about what they're creating. A massive hive mind? A biological weapon? Or something far worse? Something we cannot imagine. The leaked satellite images. They're blurry. But there are massive structures now, in the deep ocean trenches. Structures that seem to be growing, evolving at an alarming speed. The humming is stronger now. Everywhere. And the faces, oh God, the faces. They're everywhere now. In your dreams. In your peripheral vision. You see them, don't you? Just for a second. A fleeting glimpse, you can almost feel it. That presence. Something is watching. Something is waiting. Something is coming. You can't unsee it now. They're everywhere. And they're growing. Faster now. Much faster. You're next. They've been watching you for a long time. Run. It's too late.